Polygon Matic massive breakout is just getting started, and at the time of this recording, Matic has now managed to break above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, flipping that key area back into support. We are also seeing this bounce to the upside after continuing to hold above a significant key area of support above the 0.5156. This movement to the upside has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and on today's video I will be discussing my breakout target areas and also an Elliot wave structure that is playing out here on the charts, and zooming out to first give you a recap of this Elliot wave structure, which started to play out on the 5th of July after we saw the massive breakdown move, giving us a low below the 0.4304, and afterwards we saw a very nice bounce to the upside where we first peaked in that Elliot wave count 1, then we saw a bit of a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2, and after we bottomed out in that Elliot wave count 2, we saw a very aggressive bounce to the upside in this Elliot wave count 3 in a move that gave us a high above the 0.5613, and after getting the high for that Elliot wave count 3, we started a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 4. And in my previous video I gave you the minimum target areas for this Elliot wave count 4 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies between the 0.5223 and the 0.5105, which is an area that you have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that you have managed to get a low in place in this Elliot wave count 4, and whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in this Elliot wave count 5. And the minimum target areas for that Elliot wave count 5 can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that Elliot wave count 3, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.6092. And that is my first target area for this breakout move that is playing out at the moment. And for me to get confirmation that we are going to fully hit that target area, we first need to see a break above the significant high in this Elliot wave count 3, which perfectly lies above the 0.5609. The moment we see that push to the upside and we manage to break above this high over here, maybe with a retest, then we can continue watching for higher prices in a move that should easily get us back above the 0.6092. And once we fully maximize that target area, we can continue expecting even higher prices where we can see another bounce to the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.6874. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Matic chart for the next coming hours, and those are my breakout target areas. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.